what kind of impact does this have on businesses and individuals with the new tax policies? What kind of impact we can see?
Well, the salaried middle class are the most honest taxpayers by default.
Right.
By default, because you have no other option. Whereas a business enterprise can claim all kinds of expenditure, right?
Right.
If I am running a business, you know very well. Well, not that all businesses do that. I am not telling that. I am not accusing every business of doing that. There are businesses, there are companies which honestly do. But still, there is a scope for the businesses to book many things in expenditure. Suppose if my family outing, if I go on vacation to Japan, I can always book it and show it as a part of the expenditure.
Right.
Well, I've gone to Japan to explore business opportunities.
Right.
Well, you can, so that's an advantage businesses have, not the individuals. So therefore, the salaried individuals are the most honest taxpayers by default. What they are expecting a substantial concession, substantial relief. They are expecting, they're waiting for the last 10 years. Even this budget disappoints them. The old tax regime in personal income tax, nothing has changed. Only the new tax regime, the finance minister says 2/3 are moved to new tax regime. So the new tax regime means without exemptions, as you know. So there the standard deduction is increased by 25,000 rupees. Poultry 25,000. From 50,000 to 75,000. Well, along with that, some slabs have been readjusted.
Right.
And the finance minister herself says that the individuals will get around a relief of 17,500 per year, which accounts for 1,500 per month. But still, I appreciate that. Welcome it. Too little, too late. It is certainly too little and too late. From the businesses, well, as I told you, for an additional employment created, they are getting relief. So MSME sector, some credit advances will be given. Well, there are certain, nothing to give a big tax incentive because already it has been given. Corporates are taxed less than the individuals today. Individuals are taxed at a higher level than the corporate. As a result, for the first time in India, in the recent economic history, the collection from the personal income tax are today higher than the corporate income tax. So that's the reason economic survey said corporates are swimming in profit. They use the word swimming. So you can understand what kind of windfall profits, not for every company,
right,
but certainly for the big, select big companies. So businesses, well, in this budget also there are many things related to ease of doing business. So incentives are given for additional employment. Credit expansion is promised to the MSME sector. The supplier net is to be widened for the MSME sector.
Right.